This car is lowered on coilovers running a stage 2 tune with 93 octane. And tomorrow I'm going to be driving it almost 600 miles to Kentucky. I don't know if it's going to be comfortable. I don't even know what the gas mileage is going to look like, but we're going to find out. See you in the morning. So here's what we're gonna do. Over the course of this drive, I'm gonna be checking in and giving updates on how I feel the car performs as a road trip car. And as a bonus, I'm gonna be switching drive modes every roughly 200 miles or so and seeing if there's any noticeable difference anywhere between Eco, Normal, and Sport modes, starting with Eco. I have a long drive ahead of me. I'll check back in an hour. Alright, I am roughly 1 hour in. Don't know if you can see my face or anything, but sun has not quite yet risen. But I'm using my dome light. I can still see, don't worry. Yeah, honestly, it's been super comfortable. At least given the coilover situation, it's really not that bad. You can feel the bumps, but it's not like backbreaking yet. Eco mode is still going good too, at about 30 miles per gallon there. You know, I mean, I wish it could do better, but it's probably about what you'd expect for my current setup, I guess. So that's really all there is to report for the 1 hour. Right now we're at 73, but 192 miles in, I'll check back. That's when I'm gonna switch to comfort mode. So check back in then. I'll keep listening to music and enjoy the drive in the meantime. So see you guys. All right, so as you can see, we've hit, well, 193 miles. So I'm gonna go in here and basically switch to comfort. So that's all set. And I averaged at, so a small issue, when I reset my distance on the dashboard here, it also reset my miles per gallon average. So I kind of lost the exact number on what I got in Eco, which is unfortunate. But I think I did roughly 31 average. Eco drove just how you expected. There wasn't really anything to make note of there, but yeah, just figured I'd check in there. I wish I could have gotten the miles per gallon, but my next stop is gonna be for gas. Yeah, I'll give you my verdict when I get gas. See you guys there. All right, well, I'm about halfway through the trip. I just got gas. Couple thoughts. I'm still not uncomfortable, so we're good there. It's the coilovers actually they don't drive as bad as you think they would. And I'm on BC racing coilovers, so I mean that's definitely interesting. Gas mileage is doing better than I thought. So if you take a look here, yeah, I mean we're at 34.5. That is not bad at all. And it's kind of crazy though because when I was in eco mode, the miles per gallon was only like 31-ish, I want to say. I mean, I lost the actual number, of course. I'm pretty sure it was only hovering around low 30s. So that's definitely very interesting to me. Although I wouldn't say the drive mode is going to be a super swing factor on the miles per gallon, just because it's mainly determined by the roads you're on. And I think through Pennsylvania, I was dealing with a lot of uphill. So other than that, we're doing good. The one thing I have noticed so far with comfort mode is it's accelerating in cruise control faster. I didn't really know that the drive modes did that. I didn't know that they messed with cruise control. So that's definitely very interesting. Another note, last note, the car's been great. It's handled super well on the highway and it's been comfortable. The one thing that is a little annoying, I would say, is going to be the road noise. So the road noise is honestly kind of loud, I feel like, in this car. I don't know if that's my coilovers. I don't know if I've ever noticed it before. I imagine the coilovers didn't help with that because I had to remove some sort of sound deadening that was in the stock system. So, and of course they're harsher. So yeah, I want to say the coilovers did increase road noise, and it is kind of loud in here, especially when you go through a work zone where they have like the pavement all torn up. Ask me how I know. I'm still deaf from that. It was ridiculous. I got to get back on the road. I don't want to waste too much more time. So I will see you when I switch to sport mode, and that'll be interesting because, like I said, I was complaining about noise. Yeah, sport mode has that sound actor thing that increases the noise. I don't know, I'm kind of scared for that, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys when I switch it to that mode. Alrighty, so normal mode totaled out at 33.2 miles per gallon average. Now we're doing the part that I'm not excited for, which is the sport mode. So we're in sport mode, we're cruising. Comfort mode was honestly, I didn't notice. Like I said earlier, I didn't notice too much of a difference from eco mode, to be completely honest, other than the cruise control picking up speed quicker whenever it accelerates. Other than that, miles per gallon was similar. I am a little interested to see what sport does, though. Yeah, that's kind of my verdict on normal mode right there. The next time I see you, I'll be at my destination. I'll give you the final verdict on if this car is worthy of being a road trip car still, even after the tune. Yeah, I'll see you in Kentucky. All right, so I made it to the destination. Now here's the verdict. Yes, absolutely, this car can be road tripped if you tune it. There's like nothing wrong with it. Like I said, the main issue with it is probably the road noise, but that's not even like a big issue. It's honestly, it was perfect. Like, it drove great. Gas mileage was actually surprisingly pretty good. So yeah, I would honestly, if you want to go ahead and tune your GTI and you're scared the road trip's gonna not work out anymore, just do it. It'll be fine. Mine's lowered. It has an exhaust. It's stage 2 tune, 93 octane. Like I said, it drove great. It got me here. Great gas mileage. Again, felt planted. It was awesome. And then also sport mode, really, like, the gas mileage is actually really good in sport mode for one. I got 34 average in sport mode, so sport mode didn't do anything. There wasn't any louder noises, so honestly, the modes don't do much either, except for like responsiveness and like pedals probably, or maybe a little bit in the cruise control acceleration. And then if you don't have coilovers and you have the adaptive dampers, of course sport mode is going to stiffen up your ride and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my verdict on everything. So all right guys, by the way, here's the editor. That's the one. He edits all my videos.
I suck at editing.
What do you think of the car?
Dude, this car is amazing. I want one so bad.
He's getting a Civic. Oh my gosh, bro. All right, see you guys.